This routine is just going to take 5 minutes of yours and you are just going to head out to the door. Summers in Mumbai can be so intense. The heat, humidity, sweating, everything affects your skin. If you also have oily and combination skin like me, your face really starts looking shiny within hours, and mine as well. So instead of putting multiple layers of products, I have cut down to only products that I absolutely love and which is very lightweight, which I'm going to share today in this video. The very first thing is I focus on hydration but without the heaviness. I've been using this Sebamed Gel Moisturizer, which I absolutely love for summers because it's very lightweight. I've almost finished it. This much amount is absolutely fine. Can you see how much hydration it gives? And it just quickly absorbs in your skin. By the way, I have nothing on my face. I've just washed my face and this is how it looks. बिल्कुल भी चिप चिप नहीं करता है, and I hate that chip moisturizers. In summers, I also prefer very lightweight sunscreens. I have two of them, which is my current favorite. One is this. Can you just see how much amount I've used from this one? This is Lakme tinted sunscreen, and this one I have mentioned this in my previous video as well. I'm absolute in love with this one. बहुत lightweight consistency. I'm gonna show this one on this side and this one on this side. So first one we'll go with this. It has a very lightweight consistency. I'll just show you how much lightweight. Like बहुत ही ज़्यादा lightweight है ये. Like within seconds, it's just gonna go from your skin. It's hydrated, it's protected, but not giving that heaviness. This takes a little while to settle in the skin, but once it's settled, you're not gonna sweat at all. Like it might look like you have a white cast, but trust me, it's because of the tint. Once it is settled down, you are not going to sweat at all. It's very good for those days when you really want to have a little coverage, but still a natural looking finish. Then comes if you really want to have more coverage other than your tinted SPFs, you can directly go with this kind of powder foundations. Because I really love this one. It gives such a good coverage and your face doesn't sweat at all. So this is how it looks like. I'm in the shade 220 and I've used this so much. Like this much you need, and I'm just gonna apply. Like it just gives so much of coverage. Look at this side and look at this side. Like no one would ever come to know that you are just using 4 to 5 products. Within 5-10 minutes you are just ready. Not even 10 minutes. I'm just saying maybe 5 minutes. Like no brainer. Like you don't have to use your energy ki kya products lagao. No need of concealer, no need of anything. Like put this on and you are good for the day. Then I top everything up with a lip tint or maybe a blush to add some color to this base. Wow, presentable. Now to add more color to your look, I have this blush from Maybelline and ये पूरा दिन रहता है. Like it won't budge at all. It's very lightweight, it's buildable, and it will stay the entire day. No matter what you do, but this baby is going to stay the entire day on your skin. I'm into coral blushes these days. You're a little, and that much you need it. I really love the fact that it gives time to build it up. Like you just don't have to rush to blend it. It just gives you nice time to settle everything on. Usually liquid blushes don't do that, so I really love this thing about it. It's not at all patchy. That's how I step out in summers. Like anything after this is very personal choice, but I really love to step out like this. Like you don't need anything else to top off. Like you're just good and presentable, because these products are not going to let you down. Also, if you like this video, then I would really love for you to stay and hit subscribe as we are growing slowly, realistically, and together.